Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to morEwish Cuisine. Today I'm sharing yet another amazing recipe for Ramadan. I am making pizza samosa, pizza filling stuffed in samosas. And if you live somewhere where samosa sheets or spring roll sheets are not easily available, I'm sharing hack you can make these samosas without any regular samosa patti. So let's go and make it happen. So let's start our recipe with Bismillah. First, I'm taking a boneless chicken and adding it in a saucepan, adding some minced garlic, salt, and crushed red pepper. Now I'll add some chili garlic sauce, soy sauce, and some vinegar. Mix everything well, and then we'll take this over to the stove and start cooking on medium to lowest flame, and cover and let the chicken release all its water and let the chicken get tender completely. Then we need to shred this chicken. You can do it with the back of your spoon or just take it out and shred it and put it back again. Let the extra water dries out. Now I'll add some veggies. You can add whatever veggies you like in your pizza. I'm adding some corns and chopped bell pepper. Mix well. You can add olives. I forgot to add the olives. So now I'll be adding some oregano leaves. Since I was out of oregano leaves, so I'm adding some Italian herbs. You can use either one of them. Mix well, switch off the flame, and then we'll transfer this mixture onto a bowl. Now since it's a pizza filling, so we need some pizza sauce. You can use any brand pizza sauce. Add in this chicken mixture, mix well, and then we're gonna put this mixture on the side. Now talk about the hack. So if the pizza samosa sheets or spring roll sheets are not available today, I'm using tortillas. These are uncooked tortillas from brand Tortilla Land, but you can use regular cooked tortillas as well. I am taking one tortilla out, just fold in half and press it lightly so you will have some mark. Using a knife or a pizza cutter, cut this tortilla. I am putting one a half circle on the side and using another half as a samosa patti. Taking regular tap water and shaping this tortilla into a triangle like so. Just put some water on it and then overlapping it with the remaining tortilla. Just make sure the pointy end of this cone is not open, because we're gonna add some cheese in there and cheese will ooze out when we're frying. So it will turn into this cone shaped hollow thingy. So just add a tablespoon of filling, which should be cooled down at this time. Now I'm taking some mozzarella cheese. I cut the cheese into small cubes. You can add shredded cheese into your filling as well. And then again, just put the water all around the open edge and seal it completely. Since it's a dough, with the help of water it will stick together. Just put the water on all around it, and then here you have one samosa is ready. I am putting it onto a cutting board which is lined with parchment sheet, and just put it in the freezer, and you will have a bag full of samosas ready for Ramadan. Now whenever you are ready to make your samosa, you can deep fry your samosa, you can shallow fry your samosas, you can air fry it, or you can bake it as well. Just spray some cooking oil and then bake it in the oven on 350 degrees and take it out on a piece of parchment paper, and you will have delicious crispy samosas with delicious pizza filling. When I was trying this recipe at home, my family thoroughly enjoyed it. I mean, who doesn't like pizzas, right? So if you are trying this at home, please let me know how it turned out with you. And don't forget to share it with the hashtag Ramadan with morEwish. If you want to learn something else, let me know. Leave me a comment down below and I will try my best to make it happen for you guys. Once again, thank you so much for watching. And if you like this recipe, don't forget to click on the links to enjoy a lot more recipes like this.